Video, I will be showing you how to hide your likes on other people's posts. For that, the process is very simple and easy. And if you follow the video till the end, you will be able to do it pretty quickly. So make sure that if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, like the video, share the video, and comment under the video. So that way the community can grow up. So make sure your Instagram application is up to date, and I'll be providing the Instagram link in the description below so you guys can check it out if you don't have one. So what you have to do is to go to your profile icon and go to the three dots on the top right corner. So what you have to do is to go to your account, go to the setting, and in the setting what you have to do is to swipe it down and you will see like that you have made option. So simply click on that, and here you guys can see that there are four options that you can choose between. Number one is allow everyone to see likes. So by clicking on this option, everybody can see that you like that particular post or video or reel. So if you go with the second option, allow people that you follow to see likes. So if any people, a person that I follow uh, can see what I'm liking on the Instagram. So the third option is allow close friends to see what I'm liking. So only the close friend would be able to see the post that you like. And the last option is don't allow anyone to see what posts I like. So this is the option that I prefer. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.